Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop auto reply in Gmail. If you've previously set up an out-of-office message or automatic vacation responder, you may no longer need it. Leaving it on could confuse people who email you, so it's important to know how to turn it off once you're back and ready to respond normally. Let's walk through this step by step. First, log into your Gmail account on your web browser. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This will open the Quick Settings menu. From there, select See All Settings to access the full settings page. Now make sure you're on the General tab, which is usually the first one that appears. Scroll down through the options until you reach the section labeled Vacation Responder. This is where Gmail controls your automatic out-of-office replies. If your auto reply is currently active, you'll see the option marked as Vacation Responder On. To stop it, simply select Vacation Responder Off. After that, don't forget to scroll to the very bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is crucial. If you don't save, the auto reply will continue running. Once you've saved your changes, Gmail will immediately stop sending automatic replies on your behalf. From now on, anyone who emails you will no longer receive the out-of-office response, and you'll be back to replying manually, just like before. A quick pro tip: if you know you'll need an auto reply again in the future, you don't have to delete the entire message. You can just turn it off for now and then turn it back on later with the same settings. This saves you time, since you won't have to retype the whole message again. And that's it! Stopping auto reply in Gmail only takes a few clicks, but it makes sure your communication is back to normal once you return to your inbox. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Gmail tips and easy-to-follow tech guides.